Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Audi Q5 tire pressure monitoring system. First, it's crucial to ensure all your tires, including the spare, are correctly inflated. You can find the recommended tire pressures on a sticker located on the driver's side door jamb. Make sure to inflate each tire to its specified pounds per square inch, or SI, before proceeding with the reset. This initial step is vital for an accurate system calibration and your safety on the road. Next, you'll need to access your Audi's multimedia interface, or MMI, system. Begin by turning on the ignition, but do not start the engine. Then, locate the CAR button on your MMI control panel, usually found near the gear selector. Press this button to bring up the vehicle settings. From there, navigate through the menus until you find the tire pressure monitoring system. This is where we'll initiate the reset process. Once you're in the tire pressure monitoring menu, you'll see an option to store tire pressure or something similar. Select this option to confirm that you want to reset the system with the current tire pressures. After confirming, the system will begin its recalibration. To complete this process, you'll need to drive your Audi Q5 for at least 15 minutes at a speed exceeding 20 miles per hour. This allows the system to learn the new tire parameters. If the tire pressure warning light persists after following these steps, there are a few things to consider. First, double-check that all your tires are indeed at their correct pressure. A persistent warning could indicate a slow leak or even a faulty tire pressure sensor. If you're still experiencing issues, it's always best to consult your Audi Q5 owner's manual or visit an authorized Audi service center for a professional diagnosis. Stay safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.